Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 14 touchscreen not working. Imagine this scenario. You're ready to chat or watch videos using your iPhone 14, but there's a problem with the touch screen. You may be irritated by the unresponsive touch screen on iPhone 14 because you don't know the causes. What's worse is that you don't know how to fix iPhone 14 touch screen not responding to touch. Take a deep breath. Let's go over them together, from reasons to troubleshooting steps. When your iPhone 14 touch screen is not working, here are possible culprits. The screen is dirty or gets wet, the screen protector or phone case interfere with the touch screen's ability to detect touch inputs. Hardware damage or water damage renders iPhone 14 unresponsive touch screen. Operating system becomes halted, making the display seem not to work. Outdated iOS software is compatible with the apps or system settings. Now, let's start troubleshooting the touch screen problems. We'll show you how to fix iPhone 14 unresponsive touch screen within 5 steps. Don't jump to any conclusions, as for most users, it's an easy problem to fix. By the way, this video applies to all iPhone 14 series, including iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Step 1. Clean screen and remove screen protector or case. First of all, make sure the touch screen is clean. If there is tons of dirt, dust, hair, and other detritus, iPhone 14 touch screen doesn't work. If your device is wearing a screen protector or phone case, take them off first. Then, shut down your phone or let it sleep. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen to remove any fingerprints, smudges, or dust. Avoid using water as it may damage the internal components. Now, turn on your iPhone 14 or let it wake up. Touch the screen and see if it responds normally. Step 2. Unplug the cables connected to your iPhone 14. Some users have issues that the touch screen on iPhone 14 sometimes doesn't respond to a touch or swipe while charging or connecting to external devices. Obviously, they are the problems. A device that's not matched iPhone 14 or incompatible with iOS smartphones could result in touch screen not working completely or in some areas. If this is your case, remove all the connections and see if it brings the touch screen back to work. Step 3. Force iPhone 14 to turn off and then turn it back on. By doing a power cycle, your iPhone 14 can start afresh and the unresponsive screen problems might be fixed. You can start trying to press the volume down button and side button together. Swipe the power off slider to turn off the device. A few seconds later, keep pressing the side button to turn iPhone 14 back on. If the touch screen is totally unresponsive on iPhone 14, you can do a force restart instead. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Then, keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. When you turn on iPhone 14, check if the screen works and respond to touch properly. Step 4. Upgrade iOS on iPhone 14. Find touch screen not working on iPhone 14 after updating to iOS 17. You're not alone. Maybe the firmware goes wrong. Perhaps the update brings bugs. Whatever, update your device again as Apple might have released a new update to fix it up. We know that your iPhone 14 touch screen is not responding to touch and you might not be able to press anything on the device. So, we'll show you a technique to put iPhone 14 into recovery mode and use iTunes or Finder to do the update. Quickly press then let go of the volume up button. Quickly press then let go of the volume down button. Press the power button and hold it until you see a black screen showing a laptop and a cable with a link pinned at the top. That's exactly the recovery mode. Feel free to make a few attempts if you fail. It's okay. Go back to the computer. From the iTunes or Finder window, click the Update option. Finish the on-screen instructions until the update process is triggered. The process often takes 1 hour, which sometimes will be longer if the internet speed is low. If your iPhone 14 mistakenly exits recovery mode when the update doesn't complete, repeat the steps in the beginning to go into recovery mode and try again. Wait until the update procedure is done. Hope you fix the touch screen and make it work properly again. Step 5. Bring iPhone 14 back to its factory settings. As you may already realize, some iPhone 14 touchscreen unresponsive problems are so bad that you will need to reset the device. It's powerful because it deletes everything on your phone and lets you start from scratch. Review backups first before you attempt this iPhone 14 screen not responding to touch fix. If you're ready to do a reset, follow these instructions. Open PC or Mac, run iTunes or Finder, and plug your iPhone 14 into the machine. Next, put the device into recovery mode. Quickly press then let go of the volume up button. Quickly press then let go of the volume down button. Press the power button and hold it until you see a black screen showing a laptop and a cable with a link pinned at the top. From the iTunes or Finder window, click the Restore option from the opening dialog box. It'll keep popping up a few windows to let you confirm. Finish the on-screen instructions until the restore process is triggered. Wait until the restore procedure ends. Then, inspect if your iPhone 14 touchscreen responds to touch as usual. If not, just call an engineer to examine the touchscreen with professional tools. Now it's time to see your iPhone 14 touchscreen working again and happily use it as normal. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.